Very good morning, all the students of third standard. And as you know that we are learning here 14th lesson of our social studies, that is Kolkata. This lesson we are learning lesson number 14. We are learning here, and Kolkata. The city is situated on the bank of the river Hooghly, and Kolkata city is also famous for famous Howrah Bridge. This city is linked with the Howrah Bridge. It's a twin city across the river Hooghly there. The Howrah Bridge built by the Britishers. This bridge was built by Britishers and later on it is renamed as Ravindra Setu. This Howrah Bridge was renamed as Ravindra Setu. It is a huge structure bridge without any pillar. The characteristic of this bridge is the huge structure of bridge, and this bridge is set up without pillar. So the next what is that another one bridge was constructed on the same Hooghly river, that is Vidyasagar. Vidyasagar Setu is there, and Kolkata is also the important unique feature of the Kolkata, that is a tram car. For the road transportations, people use the tram car. It's carrying the people throughout the city on the lower prices, on the very cheaper rate there. So, along with this, what is that? Kolkata is the city in India to introduce the underground metro railway, the first underground metro railway introduced in our country, and this metro railway passes. So here we can see that metro railway is started. Uh, First underground metro railway started in Kolkata, and the main characteristic of this metro railway that the metro railway passes below the main street of Kolkata, and it helps hundred of the peoples. So up to here we have seen. Now the next one of this year.
सूर्यांची संदेश आणि ह्या वर्षीची भरा म्हणून सांगायचं ते धोत्रे तुषार त्यांनी पुन्हा किटकिट करत कारण की ते पुन्हा जाणार आहे ना
तेच कधी आपल्याकडे जुनं ब्राझीलचं मॅप आहे का कपाटात आणि ते त्याचं
ब्राझीलचं इकडंच असते
नाही हे पण पाहिजे होतं मला ते टार्गेटचं डायजेस्ट वगैरे काय असेल जॉग्राफीचं
इथं बुक्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये
कुठं मी बघतो तुम्ही कुठं
सांगतो
एक पाहिजे होती.
So what is here? Tram car is important features.
कंपल्सरी करायचं होतं सुरुवातीला आपण दिलं
So among the important places in Kolkata is the Victoria Memorial, is one of the most important place from Kolkata. Victoria Memorial, here the picture is also here, or the photo of Victoria Memorial is given here. So among the important places in Kolkata is the Victoria Memorial, a huge marble monument which houses a picture gallery and a museum. So it is a huge marble monument. It is that Victoria Memorial is a huge marble monument which houses a picture gallery and museum. So in this marble house there, or in this marble monument, There is a picture gallery and it is a museum also there. Nearby is the Maidan, a huge open ground. Here a number of fair take places. So nearby the Victoria Memorial House, nearby is the Maidan there. A huge open ground is here. So because of it is a huge open ground. So what is that? A number of fair take places in this open place or the areas there. Ravindra Sarovar and the botanical gardens are good picnic spots there. So along with the Victoria memorials there, Ravindra Sarovar is also there. Ravindra Sarovar and the botanical gardens. These are the important tourist places or the picnic spots for the point of view of the tourist. We can used to come and to see these places. So Ravindra Sarovar or botanical gardens, tourist places it is. These things are famous mostly from Kolkata side. If you see that botanical garden and Ravindra Sarovar there. So important places if you want to see from here, that Howrah Bridge is also there, Vidyasagar Setu is there, tram car is also unique features, underground metro railway, Victoria memorials, and Maidan is also there. So open ground Maidans where mostly different fair places there. Along with that, the Ravindra Sarovar and botanical gardens. These are the good picnic spots from the Kolkata. At the botanical garden, we can see the huge great banyan tree which is over 200 years old. Along with the botanical garden, if you visit to the botanical gardens, and in the botanical gardens there is a trees there which is more than 200 years old. So for this also botanical garden is famous. Many people mostly they see this one. So what is here? At the botanical garden we can see a huge great banyan trees there. For what purpose the botanical garden is famous? Botanical garden is famous for a huge banyan tree which is over the 200 years old. The banyan tree is famous from the botanical gardens for its duration or for its period. The tree is there from the last 200 years. Banyan tree is still there into the botanical garden, and it is from the last 200 years there the tree. So for this also Kolkata is famous. So today we'll stop here. When we'll come tomorrow, then we'll come with the next one. Thank you.